Financial stress may not seem like a big deal, but it can have a major impact on your overall well-being. That's because money troubles can cause anxiety, sleepless nights, and even harm your relationships. Local financial professional Brad Allen from Drake & Associates joins us now with some tips on overcoming some common financial stressors. Good morning, Brad.
Good morning. How are you?
Very good. Thank you. So what kinds of financial challenges are some people stressing out about?
Well, you know, the big one the last couple of years has been inflation, right? I mean, the price of things has been going up at such a rapid pace. And a recent survey said that 50% of Americans are definitely feeling that, right? Everything costs more at the grocery store, the gas pump, and everything is about 4% higher than it was last year at this time. And that comes with challenges, obviously. So a good solution to that would be to, have some kind of budget. Nobody likes to sit down and put a budget together. But I think, it's very stressful if you just watch money go out of your account and not realize where it's going. But if you can get more organized with that and just put together, whether it's on paper, pen and paper, you have a program, you have an app, whatever it is, it'll just ease that stress and also show you maybe there's some areas that you can cut back a little bit to save some money in different areas. So I think that is the best way to deal with the inflation over time here. The next one is living with debt. There's a lot of Americans, 46% of Americans that have credit cards have some kind of balance on that credit card. So maybe paying that down a little bit quicker if you can, or just knowing where that money is going and coming up with a solution on how am I going to pay that down. One of the stresses is the interest over time, right? You don't see the ball moving at all because you're not really paying it down fast enough. And there's different methods to do that a little bit quicker. And I always recommend sitting down with a financial advisor to figure out in your specific situation, what is the best way to do that? The next one is not saving enough money. Retirement, I always say retirement planning doesn't start when you're 65, when you're at retirement age. Retirement planning starts when you're in your 20s. You just start working. You start putting money away for retirement in your 401k, those kind of things. So making sure that you're saving enough is really important, and putting that 10 to 15% away into your 401k. You're able to put $22,500 per year into the employer sponsored plans while you're working. And then after 50 years old, you can put an additional $7,500 per year on top of that. So there's a lot of money that could be put away in that time period. And we work at Drake & Associates a lot in retirement. And a lot of the folks that come in, they have enough money saved. They've been putting money away ever since they started working, but now they have to come up with a plan for retirement. So that's the next one is planning for retirement. Maybe you've done all the saving. Maybe you put money away your whole career. Now you're to the point where you're ready to retire, but you're to the point where what's next? Where do I draw from first? What does my income plan look like? What does Social Security look like? Do I have an investment structure plan? Where should I be investing? Am I too aggressive or too conservative? What about legacy planning and tax planning and healthcare? And all these things go into retirement planning. They make just as much difference as the investments do. So you need to have a plan for those kind of things. So sitting down with a financial professional or retirement planner, somebody that can help walk you through that, not only in your early stage of working, but also when you get to retirement, can be really helpful and really reduce that stress for you.
All right, Brad, you said it all. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.